If you have leaky water in the boot, always check the pace of the antenna. This has turned out to be my problem on this Honda Jazz. I just cleaned around and I put silicone, very good quality silicone. I did a test before applying the silicone. I poured some water here and I could see the water leaking in the boots, both sides. The water used to come through this light and through here, and you could see the mark here, but of course I just dried them up. On the other side, it comes from here. I thought initially it's the gasket. I changed the gasket for the tail lights. I changed this one. I applied a lot of silicone around here. I looked on YouTube. I thought there is a cracks, although I couldn't see any cracks, but it's just like you become obsessed where the leak is coming from. And all this work was for nothing really, because the issue is this one in the paste. Now there is silicone applied here, but it was a little bit, I could see even before I applied the silicone, I could see a little space, but enough for the water to go inside. Sorted. If you have any issue with boot leak, of course there is many reasons, like it could be the gaskets, the tail lights, could be the rubber around the boot, could be the body, some crack, but this is one of the causes. Always check this one, that's my advice. I mean, I've been trying to figure out what's the issue for a long time. Only today I was laughing when I found that the issue is here. Oh my god. Anyway, good luck. For any car, maybe any water leak in the boot, always check this one. Just pour some water just here and it will go both sides, the leak inside the boot. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.